Laptops, 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 and more laptops.
What are the ones the students are working on?
Hi, I'm Michelle, the computer lady, and this is my partner.
I'm Nicole. I am one of the cell phone repair trainers here at CellBotics.
And today we're going to talk to you about why you want to learn how to repair laptops. And not only that, can you make money at it? Absolutely.
That's the
So,
important part.
laptops.
Disclaimer, I don't know anything about laptops.
Laptops. Laptops.
I'm here for the fun.
Laptops.
These are different ones from her class.
Laptops. Laptops. And more laptops.
What are the ones the students are working on?
They're on the desk.
Oh.
He's taking one apart right now. Now, can you learn how to repair laptops? Absolutely. Do we teach beginners? Absolutely. Is it intense? Absolutely. But is it rewarding? Absolutely. And can you make money at it? Absolutely. What we do is when you come to my class, or you come to the device master's class, which you'll take Nicole's class, then my class, we do workstations. We break it down from the largest workstation or the largest form factor all the way down to the minis. And the minis take us into the laptop portion. And we step by step of how not only to disassemble and reassemble laptops, but do the diagnostics, what to look for, how to repair devices that somebody else has been working on, and what to look for in those kind of platforms. So, can you learn how to repair laptops? Is it rewarding? Absolutely. Do you love puzzles? A laptop? It's a puzzle. And we teach you how to take about this puzzle, fix it, diagnose it, and make money at it. So, yep, I'm Michelle, the computer lady here at CellBotics.
And I want to interject as a person who doesn't know how to fix laptops. So, a lot of questions that I hear, some people say, people don't pay to fix laptops because it's cheaper to buy one. Can you address that? As I think that's true for some cheapy ones, but those aren't your customers.
Well,
are they not your customers, the more expensive ones?
Well, even people with cheap laptops come to me.
Okay.
This is what happens. There are several things that you can fix on a cheap laptop. First things first, there are upgrades. If you got a cheap laptop, sometimes they're upgradable, so they need more memory, or they might need a larger hard drive. So there's a fix. You got kids, somebody breaks a screen. Screens have come down in price. So there's a fix.
If somebody had like a $300 laptop, a $400 laptop, what are some of the benefits of them fixing it versus just buying a new one?
Well, it depends on what it is. If it's just a virus, then why would you spend $300 when you're going to get a virus repair for $129?
Yeah, that's true. And then they got to move all their information.
Absolutely.
People hate doing that.
And let's talk about what happens if your hard drive goes bad and you just need a hard drive and you need somebody to get the data off. That's another fix.
Yeah, I have an Apple computer that Michelle's working on right now. The hard drive went out in it.
No worries, but
I have her though, so.
But there's all kinds of money to be made in laptop repair, from upgrades to repairs to diagnostics. Now remember, when you go to somebody's house to do a diagnostics, there's a diagnostic charge. I don't do free diagnostics because my time is my money.
Do people call you a lot for laptop to come to them, or do they usually bring the laptop to you?
Oh,
unless you're mobile.
No, I go to them.
Got it. Okay.
You know, I don't have a brick and mortar. I'm a mobile tech. I'm a field support person. That's what I do. They call me. Hey, I got a problem with my laptop, so and so and so and so. You go to them, and you go to people's houses that don't even have laptops. A lot of times they have other things that they need you to fix, but because you fix laptops, they're like, well, can you look at such and such? Had a gentleman come here. He's 94 years old.
That was last week with class, right? Yeah.
2 weeks ago. And he was like, hey, I can't get my TV on, my smart TV on to the internet. Can you help me? And I saw your school here. I just want to know if somebody can help me. And so he's like, I see you fix laptops and you fix things, and can you help me? So I took his name down. I called him. He's like, come to my house. I told him how much it's going to cost and went down there and fixed it. And that's because I fix laptops.
How much would you make on something like that?
For that particular service call, it was $70 to go to their house.
But he's very close here, like very local.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's still $70.
Yeah. How long did it take you?
The fix took about 25 minutes.
But you
The conversation took another 20 minutes. So I was there about 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, he's 94 years old, because the other part of it is I needed to explain what I was doing, so that way if something happened, he could do it himself.
But it's like Dominic, our
absolutely.
student, like he built a whole business around going to people's houses and fixing phones, but then he found out they needed other things done. And so he's doing like TV hangings.
Yeah.
He's getting into computers. He's coming to take
He's coming to take
course.
some.
He's
There you go.
in a few weeks, and so.
But that's the point. Every time you do computer repair, whether it's laptop, desktop, and we're just talking about laptop here,
Yeah.
people are going to ask you, do you do other things? It's a lead-in to do other things.
That's
Any
right.
more questions?
Is it really hard if somebody? I'm like me. I don't know nothing about computers.
I'm
Nothing.
telling you, if
I
Nicole,
barely can use them properly.
if Nicole took my class, she would be teaching laptops and computers. I'm just telling you, the way I train you, I make sure that not only do you know how to fix them, that you can diagnose them, so you know what's going on before you start.
And they're like, and you're like, you're looking and you're saying, but I don't even know how to put a bit on the drill. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. I
Okay.
teach you how
There
to.
you go.
I teach you tool identification, parts identification. So you'll know all the parts when you see them. You won't be calling them a thingamajob or a bucket hickey or blah blah blah.
Thingamajob.
You're going to be calling all the parts and the peripherals by the correct names. You're going to use the industry standard terms. And I'm going to teach you how to interact with clients. I'm going to teach you those things because that's part of laptop repair. The other part of laptop repair is fixing the customer, making sure they're all right. Absolutely. When she called me about my Mac's not working.
My Mac, it has a folder on it.
Yeah, so you get the white screen of death. All I'm telling you is, when you fix laptops, you not only fix the equipment, you fix the customers. But we teach you how to do all of that here at CellBotics.
Okay, great. Well, check us out. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can stay right here and watch us. If you want to, you can visit our site. Follow us on Facebook, but we got a lot of stuff right here on YouTube for you.
And don't forget, go to our website, www.cellbotics.com. Sign up for one of our courses. Look at our schedule. And if you have any more questions, just hit us up on chat and look at our FAQs.
And you can comment right below on the YouTube, and we'll respond right back to you. So let's get it going.
All right, I'm Michelle, the
thanks.
computer lady.
And I'm Nicole, and see you later.
Have a great day.
Bye.